Hello all, my name is Shravmusings and I'll play about cricket. Cricket is a gentleman's game. We all watch it when we get free time. Sit in the couch with the family members, watch the game, and enjoy the game. Few will like it, and they may ask their parents, Mama, Papa, why can't you take us to coaching and everything? And yeah, they will go to coaching. But once they go to coaching, few may say, okay, maybe it's a bit too tough. Few may say, yes, I will want to pursue it. And the ones who want to pursue it, you guys need to put a lot of hard work. Because once you pursue it, you will have a dream. Like one day, if you go to practice, you want to feel that you're going to play to India or Ranji or whatever. But the days you come more to practice, right, you will feel that one day I want to play to India, one day I want to play to Ranji, one day I want to play to IPL. Yeah. So you will have some dreams to play in these next level games or next level formats, okay? And yes, definitely for that you will need hard work, and it is a long process. It is not like 1 second or no, actually one day you're gonna go to India team. No, it's a very long process. And yes, in between this long process, we do need studies. Yes, I think now all who are watching there will not like it. I say if I say about studies, because of studies means they have to go to school, do the work, write a lot, write exams, and all that pressure we face from the teachers or whatever. Yeah, but I'm telling you, because now few parents might say that studies are very important, cricket is a game, yeah, and stop it. But there is hidden studies in cricket too, which I'm going to explain in this video. So watch till the end and enjoy the video. Yes, we'll start. Firstly, language. Now this is actually very important thing I must say is language, because without language you are not gonna get into the Indian cricket team at all. If you're not gonna know how to speak, you cannot even get to Indian team. At least you should know English, basic English, so that you can get to Indian team. And most important thing, you need to know Hindi, because this is the main language which will speak in India, and Indian team will speak in Hindi and converse in Hindi, communicate with your fellow team members in Hindi, so that you guys can tell corrections or suggestions like this ball to pull like this, that shot to play like that, and yes, you will converse in Hindi mostly. And yes, so Hindi is very important, language very important, and sign language is very important. Like if you feel like they are able to understand your like suggestions or your language, or and they know that you're going to bowl a ball, means you need to speak in sign language and communicate with other people through different signs and variety of signs like a code, so that they will not be able to figure out what that code is. And once you figure out in sign language, you will bowl the ball and the batsman might get out, or some, yes, it will be a good ball, it can be a dot ball, anything can happen. So yes, sign language and language are very important in studies. Second comes maths. Okay, now maths, you might feel, what does maths need to do in cricket? Well, in an over, how many balls are there? Six, right? That's maths. And if in a over you add two wides means for a wide one run counts. So you add, and for a wide the ball won't count. The ball will not count, and it will be a reball. You need to bowl the ball again, and the opposite team, the batting team, will get one run extra, because that's a wide ball and the batsman can't do anything for it, and it's a bonus mistake. Yes. And now if we add two white balls, six balls plus two is eight. So totally, and bowler has a ball 8 balls in over and complete the over. So sometimes yes, you will go extra because of the extras we get. Okay. Yes. So definitely that is important. And run rate, economy of the ball. If you want to calculate your economy, if you're going by 2 over means you're expensive. If you're going less means you're good. Yeah. So all of this a bowler must know and calculate the economy, so the next match they can do better, and give less runs. And runs, yes, runs are also very important. Like 46 of the 4 overs, so 24 balls is 4 overs, 46 balls is runs. that's a 40 runs is runs. And yes, it is very very important to like calculate the economy and see how many how much economy you putting over or less or equal good. Yeah, so all these will definitely matter in cricket. And yes, math is very very important in cricket. Next comes science. Okay, science, it's once again science on daily life. Whatever happens through in our surroundings is basically science. Science is, it's very very important on science. And basically now science, the wind the temperature of the wind temperature, how hot it is, temperature of the day, yeah, rain forecast, everything is all science. Okay, and yes, it's very very important to know. And even like that is something called in swing and out swing in bowling. And if you want to know that how does the ball swing, you need to basically learn science is for that. And also which how to how to play the shot, how to current the shot, how to adjust and play for the ball, read the ball. That is also science. So science plays a very very key role also in cricket. And yes, science very very important, including chemistry also is there in cricket. Chemistry, like what kind of nutrition or healthy food you must take, what food you must not take, what chemical does this food have, what good chemical does this food have to give you the required nutrients or give you the required energy for you to play this match and like not be tired for a long time. Yeah, and what are not good, what makes you like tired or what makes you like like unhealthy and make more fat for you, like all the things are to understand the chemistry, the different chemicals in different type of food which make you this that whatever. Okay, yes, and next comes biology also. Now, how many of you heard of something called dew factor is there in cricket? And that is basically something which the field is wet. The field is very very wet, and like the ball will travel slowly, and the ball will be wet, and it will be too difficult for the bowlers to pick the ball and bowl and attend to the same line length. So yes, definitely dew factor also there in biology. Yeah, dew factor is there. This is biology, and so this is very very important. Science is also very important in cricket. Yeah. Next comes social. Yes, history will come, geography will come, and political. Political is cricket is basically politics. Cricket is basically politics. Okay, now I tell you. Now, firstly, let's talk about history. If you want to know the history of cricket, like when is the first cricket match played between men's, when is the first cricket match played with women's, who is the highest run scorer in the past, in the present, whatever you need history. And political science, every country, every like most of the matches have politics, yeah. So and next comes geography. Geography, the pitch, how will the ball bounce in this pitch, will the ball skid in this pitch, skid means go slow, yeah, all those things you will learn in geography. The different of landforms, is the outfield slow, is the outfield fast, depending on grass, yeah. Like I think most of the subjects come in cricket. So that's what I'm telling you, right? Studies is very very important, like thing for cricketers to study also, because without studies you can't go anywhere. And not even job, even cricket too needs study. So that's a simple explanation, right? So yeah, studies are very very important, and also please do study. And yes, if you want to be a good cricketer, if you want to be a good bowler or batsman, all rounder, whatever, you need to be good in studies and everything. Okay. So yes, thank you a lot. This is me signing off.